Hi guys, Chad Davis here from St.Albert Dodge on St.Albert Trail. We have a 2021 Jeep Cherokee Sport. Has a V6 3.2 liter Pentastar VVT engine with engine start and stop, 9-speed automatic transmission. Has a battery blanket right here that covers the whole top and around, so it's better, not only good for cold weather, it's also good for keeping the heat out as well too. Right down here in front, you have your block heater, so it's nice and tucked away and really easy to access when you need to pull it out. Other than that, you come around the side, you have 17-inch aluminum wheels. Color is bright white. Also in the back, it does have dark tinted glass to protect the kids and animals from like UV rays, sunlight, stuff like that. Coming around to the back, we do have a backup camera in the cargo area. Opening that up, lots of space in the back here. A couple things I like about it, you have the 12-volt charger in the back, so you can plug something in, blow up air mattresses when you're camping, stuff like that. Also, if you come down here, you have clips on the side. They're good for grocery bags, so if you have your groceries in here, you can hook them on there so they're not sliding all over the place. And then if you pull up here, you have your jack, and then you have your spare tire and everything in there as well too. So come on guys, come on inside and we'll show you some more features. Hey guys, thank you for staying tuned. Just want to show you a few things about the interior. You got power heated mirrors and power windows, power locks, automatic headlights. You have control functions on the steering wheel, so you have there are many buttons for the cluster and the dash. Also, you have Bluetooth, where you can pick up the phone from here. Less chance of getting a distracted driving ticket. Oh, and yes, your safety, of course. Come over here, you have your cruise control, and then you have the dash here. So if you go into the climate, you have heated seats and your heated wheels. So click that on, you got high and low settings. Come back out, you can actually connect Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Coming down here, you have your Jeep Select Train mode, where you have snow, sport, and sand and mud mode. Electronic park brake, push that, it'll go on, and then to take it off, push the brake, and then you pull it back, and it'll be off. So yeah, lots of stuff to check out, guys. If you want, give us a call, 780-458-8660, or click below, and we'd love to go through this vehicle more in detail with you.